Hello, La Joya ISD community. Welcome to the ADSY Summer Program here at Tabasco Elementary. And on behalf of the Tabasco Elementary team, we would like to extend a warm welcome to all the families from Tabasco, Fordyce, Benavides, Clinton, Peña, Leo, Flores, and JFK Elementaries.
This year, we're proud to offer the La Joya ISD ADSY program. Our mission is to keep your child's academic momentum going strong through energetic, hands-on lessons designed to boost confidence, sharpen skills, and give them a massive head start to the upcoming school year.
We are proud to welcome students and families to our ADSY Summer School program at Lorenzo de Zavala Middle School. This summer, Lorenzo de Zavala Middle School is serving as the host campus for students from Lorenzo de Zavala Middle School, Cesar Chavez Middle School, and Dr. Javier Science Middle School. Our program features instruction with a focus on literacy and mathematics, while also providing engaging STEAM enrichment activities that promote creativity, collaboration, and problem-solving skills.
In addition to ADSY, we're offering the ACE program this summer. ACE will provide students with exciting enrichment opportunities, including STEM activities, art, recreational, leadership experiences, and much more.
Our students will get to explore new passions every single day. Together, ADSY and ACE ensure a balanced summer packed with meaningful learning and unforgettable fun.